We'll guide you through how to print Google Docs quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com to access your Google Docs. Once you're logged in, find the document you want to print and open it. Now, look at the top left corner, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the File menu. From the dropdown, select Print, or you can simply use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl and P on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or Command and P if you're on a Mac. This will open the Print Settings window. Here, you can choose your printer from the list, so make sure your printer is properly connected to your computer and turned on. Next, you have the option to select the number of copies you want to print. You can also adjust other settings like the page range if you only want to print specific pages. If you want to change the layout, like switching from portrait to landscape, you can do that here too. After you've set everything up to your liking, click on Print at the bottom of the window. Your document will start printing. If you encounter any issues, make sure your printer drivers are up to date and check your printer's connection. And that's it. You now know how to print directly from Google Docs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.